Dear colleagues and friends, my name is Valentina Arsić Arsenijević, and I'm full university professor of medical microbiology, University of Belgrade School of Medicine, Serbia. Also, I'm the president of Serbian Society of Medical Mycology, and it is my great pleasure to present here at EXMID the Serbian Society of Medical Mycology. Our association was founded in 2008 with the goal of improving the human health by reducing morbidity and mortality caused by fungal infection and diseases. Additionally, we aim to design new tools for application in medical mycology by using knowledge, science, and innovation. We have continued to follow the efforts of the founder of medical mycology in Serbia, Professor Milošević, who initiated its development in Belgrade as early as 1920. Since it incorporates the key activities of our association, have included organizing national educational conference on the diagnosis and treatment of fungal infections, as well as publishing scientific findings from Serbia. To date, we have organized more than 10 national conferences with over 1,000 participants. Our research findings have been incorporated into activities of research groups such as ECMID, ISHAM, and ECMM. However, one of our most significant achievements is the ongoing scientific project, prediction, prevention, and patient participation in solving several superficial problems with several superficial fungal infections. We have placed special emphasis on international conference hosted in Belgrade, Serbia. We are proud to have organized Trends in Medical Mycology in Belgrade in 2017, as well as the Third Balkan Fungus Meeting in 2024. Here we present the results of fungal case finder project, and during this event, a number of participants from region and global show the latest achievements in medical mycology. This was especially valuable for our young scientists, as we have educated several hundred doctors, biologists, and research to date. Our vision for 2025 is continue contributing to development of global and national guidelines to attract more young professionals through new platforms such as fungal art and innovation in medical mycology, and to expand our collaboration both regional and globally. These greetings will support our achievement and these goals. I wish all participants successful meeting here in Vienna.